Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Genie Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Diljit Dosanjh on Jimmy Fallon highlights the interview story behind Yora and TT's Bhangra 2 host. Diljit Dosanjh has revealed why his album is named Yora and how important his sold-out shows in Canada are for him. Written by Ayushi Agarwal, journalist, updated on 29 April 2026. Punjabi singer and actor Diljit Dosanjh returned to the Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon for another conversation and, of course, some more dancing, much to the delight of his fans. Talking to the talk show with the American host following the kickstart of his latest tour and an album release. The Indian star spoke about having the big opportunity to do something so big like selling out stadiums just kilometers away from the spot where many others were denied entry back in the day. Moreover, he taught some fun dance moves to the host, spoke about his album era and more. Diljit Dosanjh revealed that he decided to name his album era, which has already been streamed over 100 million times as its a fan item. He shared that after attending his shows, they say that he has an amazing aura which inspired him to name the record show. They proceeded to talk about doing his first show in Vancouver as part of his new tour. He added how doing two sold-out stadium shows at these locations is very special because these are the same spots where in 1914 others like him were denied entry by Canada, and now years later he has 55,000 people attending his concert. Teaches Bhangra moves to Jimmy Fallon and thanks him for embracing him. Taking to his Instagram account a day after his appearance, Diljit Dosanjh shared a clip full of moments from his appearance. The Indian singer shared a note of gratitude for the host and his warm reception. Brother, you have such a positive aura about you. Thank you so much for giving us a platform to represent our culture. One love. He also included the occurrence when he taught the star to do Sam Bhangra moves backstage in the waiting room before his appearance, the ones which they recreated during the shoot. Diljit Dosanjh says in English is bad. Jimmy Fallon disagrees. The 42-year-old star has sold out stadiums, released 15 studio albums, headlined Coachella, and done much more, all while being humble and down to earth. During his latest appearance on the Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon, he spoke about how the Toronto University is teaching a course on him, and while not being aware of what exactly being taught, the star poked some fun at himself, saying, I have not been to a college, no university. I am 10 pass. That's why my English is bad. Making everyone laugh, he entirely asked for understanding during the start of the chat, confessing that he may not be perfect at English with Jimmy Fallon behind. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.